Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 6. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Use T for flying time in minutes. Here, let us solve this problem in this way, that is, in 1 minute, in 1 minute, in 1 minute, in 1 minute, the bird flies a distance of 1 kilometer. Therefore, in 2 minutes, the bird flies a distance of 1 into 2 kilometers. In 3 minutes, the bird flies a distance of 1 into 3 kilometers. Right? In T minute, the bird flies a distance of 1 into T kilometer, where 1 is constant and T is the flying time. In minutes. Right? That is, in 1 minute, the bird flies a distance of 1 kilometer. In 2 minutes, the bird flies a distance of 1 into 2 kilometer. In 3 minutes, the bird flies a distance of 1 into 3 kilometer. Therefore, in T minute, the bird flies a distance of 1 into T kilometer. Right? This is the solution of question number 6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.